Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
From the water meter at our home, some it's in the back. Most of them, though, in Arizona are at the front.
Correct.
Talk us through how the underground piping structure is typically trenched from there.
Yeah, so your main meter typically in most homes would be at the front street curb area. And that main line goes to the front of your house and then splits through the house and into the backyard. And if you happen to have a pool, the pool generally has its own autofill line that fills the pool manually or automatically rather. And then the yard generally splits off and waters the front and backyard separate from the home.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner.